First focus on first focus field application It's raining. It's really very heavily raining, and yeah, it's around 3:30. I have just submitted my documents for a post on contractual basis. So let's see whether I get it or not. Okay, so hello, so today we have done lots of work. Start. Tinna mani trip में क्या है ते उस चच ते योजना mani या लेंगा या जगह दे में चलते नहीं आले ते करे का दुख चना देने ठीक दुखला चामी दुखो जामे तुम या ले so we are staying here. Czekaj, skąd mocno skończył? Mano, patrz, dziupa je. Hello, mam mirowa. Mama, potem czekaj, mata. Mają zerczo, pogadi. Anting eta ting. Ya le so. Ngani cha pau khong gon to dia le. I was not ready. Kunis ke nga force tang zia le so. Yok bak, kızım kaç her gün sonra son parti. Çam. Ne diyor? Yemek kızım. Tek dulla. Niye garana bir şey öpüdü? Ta puri kaça da ya çok lasala. Yine pura gariye kapkan ediyorsun. Yes mi da? Yes, ama kibar. Yes, yok ki kamera tutma. Ne doğan çok mu? Pancho lang din. Hi. Kira dum da. Ay yok şimdi o nakşe yapacak. Bak. Kirazı mı? Ya Suzan taşı. Ya bay ziyade çamena dan loste. Çamena. 어떻게 길이 줄었을 때로 찾기네. Okay, so we are going back. Poyong sa Tashile.
Yung slim mama za yung soto no pa ya ang plan.
Skit poyong sa zuk zasma. Pale. Yale, so we are going back. Yeah, they just parish.
We are going back.
Oh, this is my first time here and tini mas tini dik yale. Tini imi mas na kacho mabare.
Road gale pe ale.
The road mal de mudu yale. Chinese casting man ngi ngala zetenia. Kates ka to itok plan ritok chana. Man, itok ziktok chana. Please inform me at least one day earlier. Hey. Hawale.
One
One day ta chana pa at least.
Yes. The cheese on kira ka de.
Nga yale ine chapal khura na yung sud yale. Sam skip po de yale. Hello, today's date is 14 August and I have demanded or I have brought a book from one of the sites. It's called Kitabe site and it was about to deliver on 4 August but it's already 14 August and today only I got the call saying that I should take from the post office. So here I am going toward the post office. I am with Abaskarma. Today only I have got the call saying that the book is arrived. So I'm gonna park the car here and we'll go in the Khanin way. Section here Abaskarma. Kitab inok. Manual. But my shoes don't. Okay, so I got my parcel here. Okay, so I got my parcel after so long, and then today or tomorrow I will do the, what should I say, unboxing, because I am very much excited to do the unboxing and do a reading vlog. I wanted to do a 24-hour ring challenge or kind of that, I guess. So Juleza Abaskama Juleza Sudu Okay, so I am going to open this one now only because I can't wait to open this after so long. So here okay, so one thing I want to say is that the book inside this box is really mystery. We just have to select the genre which we need, whether we want thriller, whether we want fiction, non-fiction or whatever. And I have ordered 10 books and it's from kitabe.com. So and the books are not that fresh. It can be like second-hand book, but it doesn't cost much, that's why. So it doesn't matter whether it's a second-hand book or not. What matters is that okay. Wow. So yeah, here. Okay, these are all the books which I have selected. A kind of thriller. I have selected thriller, thriller, fiction, and romantic. These are the books. So yeah, I am very excited to do reading vlog. I am very excited to do the reading vlog. So yeah. Okay, so these are the books I will be reading. Hope that I could complete the whole read in this 2024, because I wanted to do, and it's just 10 books of thriller, mystery, fiction, and also romantic book. So I will choose later on which one I will do the reading vlog. Okay, these are the books which I have in my TBRs to be read. All this cost me 1200, and actually I do used to buy books on monthly basis. I used to buy and I just continue that kind of thing, just for self love, kind of act of self love. I used to give myself books, like I used to buy books whether I read it or not, but I used to buy it. That is kind of addiction, that is also not good. I felt that. So what I did is that I stopped buying books before reading it. I thought of reading all the books which I have in my, like, with me. So but when I saw this kitabe.com from one of the YouTuber which I used to watch, a regular YouTuber, so I thought, why shouldn't I try? Firstly, I thought that they won't ship to Ladakh. Then they did without much cost, like it 1200 is cost of one book itself, I guess. So I got 10 books on just for 1200. But the fact is that these are second-hand book. We are here at market. أنا market لا يوصلني عليه. شو market؟ أجي بوشر قاعدة تينا مقرون سمي مانكوك. أنا ما تموزني يوم كذا. ما تشapal قلتون. Chapal قلتون. We are going for dinner. Walk. So today we are gonna have dinner here at market, because we thought about staying here. So yeah, we're gonna stay here because tomorrow we're gonna take our 2 doggies with us. So yeah, it's on plan, and I'm on sleeper. Okay, I am on sleeper, and let's see. Let's check the night view of the market. And this is the Wok restaurant. And this restaurant serves very delicious food. That's it. Let's have. That's the way it is. Kayaknya datang soalnya. Ini gitu sangat. Saya lupa aja. Ice cream treat after dinner. This is where we grew up. There used to be a Nalka tip nal for all the people. We used to come here, but kurang deep da. Hey. Kalchi chode. Hello, Julie. Hi, Desal. Okay, Jigdal, hi. Desal, hi. Chilo? Kona 작아요. 근데 찢어. 그네 작아. Jigdal, 대화 두 개. 디시플레인. يلا ديري يا خويا نسكا كيرتين يلا نحشي ستانا جيجدال ماشي دم يوتيدوك جيج دسال yang cek nurut ba magar ko ki चमा थोना मुग ता मुग बस भाई आप क्या बोलना चाहोगे मजा आया सुबह नक्शी तांस मुझे जिगदाल यार दीने इंटाश हो जिगदाल इंटाश ngal pi sobe ma kursia chazuna so ngal tete ma lele naqshi tan but road one way just really, so we have to go from here. Kadmoche khatoge road. Oh, the Chandlo side the road go reach Harjupiyale because it's 15 August today. Happy Independence Day to each and every one of you. You guys might be watching this very late, but I wish you all happy Independence Day. It's my first time here. It's my first time here. Driving the first time here. Discipline tak mana malah. Aja sesuk discipline lah pokoknya jigdal lah besar. Besar lah tanya lapin bayar jigdal aja senang. Desal ni je jendik jangan desal ni jarang desal. Yung tu buat cuma tu. Mau tu. Jigdal boleh. Oh tak duk le duk. Itu discipline kan cik. Yung yang desal tu nak tanya lah kan. Hey, macam kata hey. Oh good. Desal good. Oh jadi ni je just. Hoyo dia mana educated çıktı bir şey. Onca kaza behave çiçin. Su janmağdan mukan konuk. Awat ya zaman. Kalau janmağdan mukan. Cinno. Oh, git maya ya ama lele. Ngakari sum çava tosai. İster shirt on, işaret on. Dene aynı çiyon spaniya. Are kappa kaçacağız ya. Cino ayo kok online terus kacis. Kok malas nggak jangan sih. Nggak mau contoh tuh ini jalan lagi pina ber. Aku lihat street light dengan cap foto ngomong aja. Wah malah nyingin. Cino kaca juga konjur caca rakun. Iring iskat cici mamnya caca rakun. Dia kaca. Dia orang yang kaca. Dia nggak tahu itu bang. Cuma tuh. I'm gonna sleep 2 hours because I have sacrificed my sleep just for them. Now she's crying. She wanted to go with Tomo. Jigdal, iga. Isra, Jigdal. Desal. Forget Desal iga. Ama Jigdal is so good. Ama Sama Jigdal man discipline miru gaya. Desal, Jigdal. Desal. Koi gaya.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó?
Wow! Ding is a chak samba. Ta Jigdal ilaze no pokuchata. Jigse shisar she no kwa. Ki chik mugziale. Ko kuchata se khochup chate dugdarin para ti zemida. हम लोग
ठीक पावन बाबन बाजू बा ले त्यहाँ चाहिँ हामी Good morning.
English Nazish.
Good morning. Today is 15 August and right now we are here at Donkang to have some chili what you're gonna have? I'm gonna have mojito.
And this is Angmo's daughter. Son.
I don't know your daughter or son. Hello. 해야지. 너 맞아. 이숙 씨 좀 돼. 이숙 씨 좀 돼. 해다.
여왔어. 민지가 좀 봐.
보보.
보보 키레즈다.
네네네. 이거 잡아. 와제 देखो इसको गुस्सा.
Yeah, like, so we are here at Donkang.
जी तू सब खाओ तो सब या. Yeah, special chicken boy.
This shop. Ima ichi Justin. Julie gansina. Iola met. Julie chesh yonsba. Inabo. Julie ya but Julie ing ba chakan jik dansa mani. Chi dansa ni ma.
Julie ing ba dansa rula.
Julie zopsi ra ya le. 달라이크 소나 또 되면 지줘다. 아, 어쩌고 사미라.
이거 사면 우타는 누나 봐.
Irna nawa. Ida makacha.
No, me gacha.
니마. 만대 하지. 나 이숙 잔지 꼰 잔지 사실. 야, 니마 해도 줄래.
Nico 좀 비다고 쳤습니다.
이거 이러야 니마 너 버섯은 나 기아에 피하래. 잠깐 버섯은 기 주스를
Julie.
Ya son talent cara, garan ngaptin.
버섯 기아랑 앞주게 뭐야.
Isteyor, nara hadi mago.
Good night.